Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to delete pins from your Pinterest boards. So let's jump right into it. First, make sure that you have the Pinterest app and that you are logged in. After that, tap on the app. From here, tap on the picture on the bottom right. That will take you to your profile. From here, tap on the board that you want to delete a pin from. Tap on it. Now in here, they will load up all of your pins. Go ahead and choose the one that you want to delete. Tap on it and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner right here. Now from here you might be confused. There is no delete option here. Don't worry, just tap on edit pin. And then in this screen right here, you can see delete pin. This pin is in the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on delete. And after that, the pin will be deleted and you will no longer find it here. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and see you soon.